Hello student, welcome to another class of class 10th question bank English. Today I am going to guide you to make beautiful notes of passage. I am going to give some important points before writing the note making. So first point is we should read the passage carefully. Read the passage carefully. This is very important while making notes. And the second point is after reading the passage, we must select the suitable title. Selection of suitable title. Okay students. Then selection of subtopic. Subtopics are also very important in note making. Then we should select abbreviations. Abbreviations are short form of the word. These are very important in note making. So we should select words that can be abbreviated. Okay. And next point is the format. We should know the proper format of note making. Okay students. And the last one is central idea. Central idea means the central idea of the passage should not be changed while making notes. So students, while making notes, these are the important points we should keep in our mind to make our note making beautiful and clean and to get maximum marks out of it. Okay students, so now we should start making notes. Okay, so we should start with the passage number 1. Read the passage carefully and make notes on them. Also give suitable title to them. Okay, so first point we already discussed this, read the passage carefully. So I am going to read the passage and select title for that. Okay, in 776 BC, the first Olympic Games were held at the foot of mountain Olympus to honor the Greek chief god Zeus. The Greek emphasized physical fitness and strength in their education of youth. Therefore, contest in running, jumping, discus and javelin throw, boxing and horse and carrots racing were held in individual cities, and the winners competed every 4 years at Mount Olympus. Winners were greatly honored by having poems sung about their deeds. Originally, these were held as a game of friendship, and any wars in progress were halted to allow the game to take place. The Greeks attached so much importance to these games that they calculated time in 4-year cycle called Olympiad, dated from 776 BC. Okay students, so this is our passage and we have to make notes. Okay student, to save time I have already made note of it. I will show you. Okay student, so one second. So this is our passage first. So we clearly saw this is the passage about Olympic Games. So our title is Olympic Games. Okay students, then look at the format of the passage carefully. The note making carefully. I have write first title. Some students are making mistakes while making notes that they write the title below the notes. So that is wrong. We must write the title on the top of the notes. So first I write title, then notes. Okay. I point first sub point first Olympic game. First Olympic game, then sub point 776 BC at Amu. I here you can see clearly that Amu. I abbreviate Mount Olympus as MO. Then 1.2 honor to God Jesus. 1.3 emphasize on physical fitness. Then again second sub point games of friendship. Okay students, under which 2.1 held individual cities, 2.2 every 4 years, 2.3 winners honored by poem. Again importance of game. Here you can also see that I have abbreviate importance to IMP. Then 3.1 Greek attached, 3.2 wars were halted, and 3.2 4-year cycle called Olympiad. Here, okay. Then below that we should write the abbreviations what we have used in the note making. Like I have abbreviate Mount Olympus to MO and importance to IMP. So this is how you can write your note making to get good marks, and if you properly write in this format you will definitely get full marks out of that. Okay, so before to jump on second passage, you should carefully watch that the format, how I write that while making note making. The sub points, the first Olympic game, one sec. Okay, the sub points like first Olympic game, then games of friendship, then importance of game. So you have to select sub points. These are very important. And you must see one more thing, the alignment of the points, like 1, 2 and 3, these are aligned in straight line. Then the subtopics in that, they are also aligned in same line, like 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, they are also in a straight line. So you must write in proper format to get good marks. Okay students, now we are going to make notes of passage number 2. Okay, first I'll read the passage. Okay, chameleon can make their skin change, but not because they decide to. The color change to help the chameleon avoid its enemy. It is a form of camouflage, a disguise that let it blend in with its surroundings. The change is actually determined by environmental factors such as light and temperature. Bright sunlight causes the skin to darken. On cool night, the color fades to creamy color. The color also changes when the chameleons are excited, angry, or afraid. The color change is rapid and increases when the chameleon is handled, injured, or approached by another chameleon. There are many types of chameleons. Almost half of them are found on African island of Madagascar. The others mostly occurs in Sahara Desert with few in Western Asia and Southern Europe. Chameleons live in trees where they usually eat insects. Very large chameleon may even use their stinky tongue to catch birds. Okay students, so we can select the proper title from here. So we clearly saw that chameleon should be our suitable title. Okay students, to save time I have already make notes of the all the passage. So look at here carefully. So I have selected title that chameleon. Chameleon is kind of हिंदी में हम उसे बोलेंगे छिपकली या फिर एक गिरगिट की प्रजाति को हम कैमेलियन बोलते हैं. ओके, सो आवर टाइटल इज कैमेलियन. देन नोट्स, आई हैव सेलेक्टेड some important sub points like reason to change skin color, why they color change, why their skin color is changed, cause of skin change. Okay, and the third one is type found, what are the types and where they found. Okay, in the sub point we have seen that reason to change skin color, and reasons are 1.1 to avoid enemies, enemy को avoid करने के लिए. 1.2 form camouflage, camouflage means to disguise someone. Okay, 1.3 blend with surrounding. I have abbreviated surrounding to SRRR and DGS. This is the very good way to make the word abbreviated. Like surrounding word is abbreviated SRR and DG, where I have done to skip all the vowels or in the sentence, like surrounding. Sorry, SURROUNDIING. Okay. Sorry, surrounding. So to make a word abbreviate, you can skip vowels like a e I o u, a e I o u from the words, जो मैंने यहाँ पे किया भी है सराउंडिंग से. बट वाइल मेकिंग एब्रीविएशन आपको एक चीज़ बात ध्यान में रखनी है कि वर्ड्स स्टार्टेड विद वोवेल, ए ई आई ओ यू से जो वर्ड स्टार्ट होते हैं उनका फर्स्ट वर्ड, लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू एब्रीविएट एप्पल, यू शुड नॉट रिमूव ए फ्रॉम, मतलब कि फर्स्ट वर्ड कभी भी रिमूव नहीं करना है. ओके, आई विल इरेज ऑल दिस. ओके, the cause of skin change. So we have another sub point in it, environmental factor and when they are, what they feel. So environmental factors are light and temperature, and when they are excited, angry, afraid, and handled and or injured. Okay, again the next point, sub types found, where they found African island of Madagascar, Sahara Desert, W and S E. Here again I abbreviate some words like Western Asia to WA and Southern Europe to SE. You can clearly say that I have used abbreviation like surrounding, temperature, Western Asia and Southern Europe. So you can also select word that you are going to abbreviate it and select your title very carefully. Selection of subtopics, selection of subtopics in subtopics, and the proper format of note making. Okay students, then move on to another passage. Next passage is passage third. A dolphin is an aquatic animal. Dolphins are extremely intelligent and sociable animals and have their own way to communicate with each other using special sounds. Although they are often mistaken for fish, dolphins are actually mammals. They are member of the Cetacea, pronounced Cetacea family, which also contains whales, porpoise. One way of telling the difference between a cetacea and a fish is by looking at their tails. You can tell a cetacea because their tail fins called flexes are horizontal and moves up and down. Fish have vertical tails which moves from side to side. A dolphin's body is designed to help them moving quickly, easy through water. The dolphin flex propels it through the water. On its back is a curved dorsal fin, and on each side of a dolphin is a pectoral fin. The bump on a dolphin's head is known as the melon. They trap their prey by using their teeth. Dolphins use a type of sonar to detect where objects are around them. This is called echolocation. Echolocation works when a dolphin bounces a high pitched sound of an object and then listen for the echo to come back. It is very useful way for dolphin to find food and navigate. Dolphins communicate with each other through clicks, quakes, and whistle. They use this special sound to greet each other and to indicate if they are in distress. Dolphins live in the sea, but they can't breathe underwater. They breathe through a blowhole and have to come up for air every 15 minutes. Now we can see that how could I make a good note making out of the second passage. Okay, so I have selected that the title of the passage is dolphin. Dolphin is our title. So we clearly saw that the passage is all about dolphins. Okay, and notes, I have selected some subtopics like an aquatic animal, dolphins body design, and dolphins communication, how they communicate to each other. Okay, under some points I have write an aquatic animal, intelligent and social. Here we saw that they are intelligent and social, member of Cetacea family. Dolphins are member of Cetacea family. And horizontal flux. Under second subtopic, dolphins body design, flux to propel, dorsal fins and pectoral fins, melon and sonar. Okay, थर्ड सबटॉपिक के अंदर देखेंगे डॉल्फिन्स कम्युनिकेशन, हाउ दे कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर. दे आर कम्युनिकेट थ्रू इकोलोकेशन वॉक्स, click and squeeze and whistle, blow hole every 15 minutes. So I have abbreviate here minutes to MIN, so and write in the below section. Okay, so how can you make, you clearly saw that how you can make beautiful notes out of the passage. Okay students, next passage देखते हैं और उसकी नोट मेकिंग भी देखेंगे. सो अगला पैसेज है पैसेज नंबर 4. द हार्ट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वाइटल कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. द हार्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी हैज़ द continuous job to keep oxygen rich blood flowing through the body. All the body cells need a constant supply of oxygen, particularly in the brain. The brain cells live only 4 to 5 minutes after the oxygen is cut off and death come to entire body. Heart disease can result from damage to heart muscles, the valves or the pacemaker. If the muscles damaged, the heart is unable to pump properly. If the valves are damaged, blood cannot flow normally. Dr. John Gibbon of US developed a machine in 1953 that could take over temporarily from the heart. Surgeons had the chance to repair or replace a defective heart. Many patients have had plastic valves inserted in their hearts when their hearts were faulty. Many people are now being kept alive with the tiny battery operated pacemakers. Okay students, so we can see how I make notes of this passage. Okay, So we have clearly seen that this is the passage all about human heart. So I have selected the title as heart, human heart. Okay, then I have selected sub points like heart of human body, heart disease, and battery operated pacemaker. Okay students, under this sub points, the heart of the human body, I have write 1.1 as vital component. We know that heart is a vital component of our body, very important part. Do continuous job. द हार्ट डू कंटिन्यूस जॉब, कि हार्ट का काम कंटिन्यूस होता है, कभी भी रुकता नहीं है. कीप्स ऑक्सीजन रिच, ये हमारी बॉडी को ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई करता है. हियर आई हैव एब्रीविएटेड ऑक्सीजन टू O2. हमें पता है कि ऑक्सीजन को हम साइंस में O2 से दर्शाते हैं. सो आई हैव यूज एब्रीविएशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन लाइक O2. ओके, अंडर सब पॉइंट सेकेंड, हार्ट डिसीज, व्हाट दे कॉज. So 2.1 damage heart muscles, valves or pacemaker unable to pump, blood cannot flow normally. If you have suffered with heart disease, these are the symptoms or reasons. Okay, under third subtopic battery operated pacemaker, I have abbreviated here, developed by DVLPD, developed by Dr. Gibbon in 1953. Repair and replace heart, PV. I have used plastic valves to, I have abbreviated plastic valves to PV. Okay, so abbreviations like O2, DVLPD and PV are used in my note making. Okay students, so you can also abbreviate according to you. Okay, move on to last passage number 5. Crude mineral oil comes out of the earth as a thick brown and black liquid with strong smell. It is a complex mixture of many different substances, each with its own individual quality. Most of them are combination of hydrogen and carbon in varying proportions. Such hydrocarbons are also found in other forms such as bitumen, asphalt, and natural gases. Mineral oils originated from carcasses of tiny animals and from plants that live in the sea. Over millions of years, this dead creature formed large deposits under seabed, and ocean current cover them with a blanket of sand and silt. As this material hardened, it became sedimentary rocks and effectively shut out the oxygen, thus prevented the complete decomposition of the marine deposit underneath. The layers of sedimentary rocks become thicker and heavier. Their pressure produces heat which transforms the tiny carcasses into crude oil in the process that is still going on today. Okay students, so you can select suitable title, the words you can going to abbreviate, and the subtopics. So we are looking to the note making I have already made. So I have selected title of the note making is crude oil here, and sub points like crude mineral oil, MO originated, I have abbreviated here mineral oil to MO, and process going on today. Okay students, under this sub point I have written 1.1 thick brown and black liquid. We know that crude oil is in color brown and black. Mixture of substance, crude mineral oil is mixture of substance like hydrogen and carbon. You can also abbreviate here hydrogen and carbon. You are a we already learn science in 10th class, so you can know that hydrogen is written H2 and carbon to C. We can denote hydrogen by H2 and carbon to C. Okay, MO originated carcasses of animals and plants millions of years को मैंने यहाँ पे वायर से एब्रीवेट किया है. ओके, Next point is deposits under seabed. Okay, under third subtopic process going on today, I have written decompose of marine deposit. You can also see in passage कि decomposition of marine deposit. Pressure produce heat, carcass transform into crude oil. These all are points. All points are also written in the passage also. Okay. And the abbreviation at last, MO, which I abbreviate to mineral oil, and YR to years. And your marks are not going to cut. Okay students, so this is the last passage and last note making for the day. So thank you.